Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, you and I are taking a closer look at a new running board that was just released to the market. It is built and designed by the team at Romik, and this right here is their all-new ROF-T series running board. Now, it's certainly no secret that the team over at Romik have been building top quality truck and SUV accessories for quite some time now. And out of all the companies that are out there in the automotive aftermarket, Romik really prides themselves on paying close attention to all of their customer concerns. And not too long ago in 2016, they had a ton of people begging for them to build an attractive, modern version of the traditional rough step. Well, the guys over at Romik listened, and this is what they came up with. So again, this is Romik's all-new ROF-T running board, and like I said, it's essentially a tougher, more modern version of the old-school rough step. But instead of just making the styling modern, Romik also took it up a notch and built a running board for those trucks out there that are used as true workhorses. Now, to make the ROF-T strong but also lightweight, Romik crafted the entire board out of 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum, which not only helps this running board stay protected from the elements, but again, it is also incredibly strong. Strong enough to support up to 500 pounds, which to me is very impressive. But besides just sheer strength, Romik also added a lot of other helpful features to this running board. Now, take the width of this ROF-T for example. This running board is a massive 6.5 inches wide, which gives you plenty of room to plant your feet when you're getting in and out. They also added a built-in boot scraper so you can keep your interior clean, and even larger openings on top, which makes cleaning this running board even easier. Alright, so now that we know all the features and details of the ROF-T, let's talk about the installation. Now, the great news is this running board requires no drilling or cutting into your truck to get them installed. All the new brackets install right to the factory locations with the provided hardware, so you should have a set of these bolted up to your truck in less than an hour. Well everyone, that about wraps up my review today of Romik's new ROF-T running board. So if you're in the market for a tough, well-designed, work-oriented running board, head over to CarID.com now to check out these new ROF-T running boards and the slew of other great products that Romik has to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.